got it. So when you're coming back in, if you can push this down, that down, so that when I get in, we're all good. Well, no, because he wants it up for videos. And then so.
All right. Other side, are you ready?
Yeah, come in.
Pomona, you ready?
Ready? Yes, sir.
Okay. On your marks. Get set. Go! Wait.
Up there. Go.
Go. 30%.
Good. Give it a little. Very little.
Oh, shit.
Oh, let's go, Pomona!
What's going on?
Make sure the switch on the left is on.
It is. It's dead. Yeah. Dude, I can't. We got no power. Oh, the battery cable fell off. Check the batteries. Yeah. Bet.
You got it.
It's kind of clockwise, yeah?
Profile set. What?
Right now, 350.
350?
No, 350? Yeah.
It'd be cool if you're on the other side of the propeller. Ready?
CCSF.
Ready.
I got time. Not on your motor until you're clear of your pusher. Get set. Go!
Come on.
Cool.
Go!
Not so hard.
Let's go, Pomona!
We got Pomona in the water!
Oh,
Where's Chico? Stay! Chico! They're out in the campground. Chico! Alright, what about Folsom Lake? Also working hard over here. Folsom Lake, let's hear it up! Alright, come on, let's hear Folsom Lake, come on! Go Folsom, that's what I heard! There's Bikini Bottom there. Folsom College, let's hear it! Did you hear that? Bikini Bottom's in the house!
Oh, she's fighting me.
Now, I know CCSF is in the water, but let's give it up for CCSF. Where you at? There's a guy in the water. Make sure you
Oh, that thing's nimble, dude. That's sick. She's not happy. Oh, you're good, girl. Come on. Just stay on there. Just stay clamped on. Just stay clamped on. You're good. Shit, shit, shit. Oh, kick off, please. My motor's a little loose right now. She's not happy. Oh, wait. Oh, she's not happy.
Uh-oh. Are you backing up or?
I'm not trying to. I don't have a reverse. Oh, wait. We're good. There we go. Now she's happy. No, we don't do the extra. It's okay, it's okay. So interesting, it went backwards. That's crazy. Oh, come on, you can do it. You're good, you're good. Stay clipped on, stay clipped on. All right, okay, I can slow it down just a hair. Oh, come on, come on. No, no, no. You can do it. Okay, lower.
4 miles an hour.
Oh, she's getting slower. We have it set at 15. She's gonna drop below 15. Fuck, we should have lowered the minimum voltage. Do you think we can lower the minimum voltage?
Are you going left or right?
Sorry.
No worries. I'm right at you.
Sorry, I know I needed to make a call. Be ready to lower the minimum under voltage. It's losing too much power. Fucking never mind. We're not using a fucking walkie-talkie next time. This is a garbage. This is like max speed right now, dude. I'll say we're getting close to under 15, I think. It's too late now. You're all good.
Wait, stand.
I know.
Stand. Cool. All right,
You ready?
now you're good.
Just down. So if you want to just full throttle it, you can. It's just not. It's gonna be slow as shit right now. Ready? Yep. This side.
All right, can you steady the boat here?
Get in, clipping.
It's still on. Ready?
Yep.
Don't worry about the camera. You're pushing. You got it?
Yep. Good.
Ready?
Yep.
On. Go.
You got this, Liam.
No juice. I'm not feeling any power. Oh.
You good?
All good. No worries. Damn, bro, you're chopping that up. Good stuff. Nasty. Damn, bro, you're making me bounce from those waves. Oh yeah. Howdy, having a nice ride? Fancy seeing you guys here. Howdy.
Oh, hell yeah, you got a duck. Love it.
Yo, hell yeah. This wind is gnarly, brothers.
Yeah. It was fine earlier. It's picking up now.
Darn. One would think it'd blow the clouds away. Yeah, just very low power. Like, at the graces of the wind. This wind is killing me, brother.
What's left?
I'm full throttle and the wind's just throwing me everywhere.
That's okay, you're doing great. We believe in you.
Keep it going, good bro. You want to coast with the current and then throttle against it?
That's what I'm working on.
Gotcha. Looking fresh as fuck out there.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Just wait like 3 more years, maybe.
You're doing good.
Oh, what is this wind?
You got 8 minutes. You okay out there?
We've got like no juice left in here. I am barely moving.
Understood. Do you feel it making any thrust at all right now?
Yeah, there's some, but not nearly enough.
Nice. Do whatever you can. Just keep going. Once it's dead, paddle back, I guess. So, yeah. Try for one more at least.
How are your guys' batteries holding up? You good? Downright neck and neck right here.
Make sure you go around them.
So are you guys like dead or you got a little juice left? Yeah. These aerodynamics go crazy. Are you guys heading in or doing another one? You can almost see our wind blowing back in our faces. Well, how the turntables.
Throw the harpoons.
They're telling me to throw the harpoons.
They were told to throw the harpoons. What should I do, guys?
I mean, it's basically a broadside.
Repeat that.
They were told to throw the harpoons at us. What do we do now?
Oh, go back! Bring up the whale gun!
Hey, yo. Whoa.
That was an escalate.
Yeah. Hey, you started it. Don't hit the buoy. That's like really bad.
You have a warning about sitting under the seat, don't worry. You can use your stopwatch in case.
Let me hear y'all. Y'all here, come on. Where's that fella down there? Where's that fella?
Oh, hell nah. The wind, no. I was trying to get the turn. Oh. No, I'm going backwards. I'm no longer going forwards.
You're going forwards.
Oh yeah, maybe a little bit. I lied.
They're broadside.
'em. You know how many laps you guys are at? Aw, heck nah. Oh, hey. Hey.
Are you out of battery? Is it done?
Certainly feels like it.
Can you tell if there's any thrust from up behind it?
Un poquito.
I guess keep going so we got nothing left at all.
10-4. Three more minutes of this? Oh, that's gonna feel like an hour. Gosh, I really should have brought that speaker in here. Oh well. You make me feel like a... And to think that I had a Red Bull before this. Oh yeah, we're moving now. We're almost moving now.
fucking fine as hell out there, boy.
Well, shit, I'm doing my best here. Sure is looking pretty cute, too.
Repeat that?
Shit, doing my best out here. Sure is looking pretty cute, too.
Oh, thanks, BB.
You make me feel like I think I'm going faster by doing this. Does this count?
Don't worry, we might have to fight that swan.
Repeat that?
We very much believe in you because you might have to fight that swan.
You make me feel like You make me feel. I need the beauty and the beast. Whoa! Watch out, everybody, coming in hot.
We got 1 more minute. We can try to get to this other buoy.
I'm doing my darndest.
I know.
No. Hey, how you doing? It's a pleasure meeting you.
You all good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Am I good if I help myself?
We're gonna rest.
No! Oh, yep. I think I'm going faster this way as a sail.
Are you done?
Certainly feels like it.
Just in time. Start paddling, brother. Yeah! Let's go talk and do it.
Oh, look at that turn. Oh, don't look at that turn. Oh. I got it. I'm moving now. Do you guys need a tow? Oh, you got. Alright, I got you. No worries.
Paddle to our area, please, and thank you.
Copy that. See you there. Oh, is UCR back in it? Is UCR going?
No, I'm not sure who's going now.
Oh, okay. Well, I wish them better luck than us. Oh, didn't clip a single buoy. Just like an entire platform.